Welcome to Unscripted with DK Swami, episode 13 out of 100.
Hi, I'm DK Swami. I'm a software engineer who's building an IoT startup and chasing a career in acting.
So आज मैं ऑफिस गया था एंड मैं पहली बार रोनी से मिला था in person. He's a good kid, interesting person. It was a fun day actually. We talked about a lot of things. We worked a lot. It was a decent day. It did not feel like he was working as an intern and I was working as a founder. It didn't feel like that. It was like ठीक है भाई वाली feeling आ रही थी. I guess I don't know if this is the right way I should be going. People in my team, maybe I should be less friendly with them, less open with them. I just don't know yet. I'm still figuring this leadership and team building wali thing out. I think the best way to go forward is just be real with people and connect with them as human beings, as these people are a part of my team. So I'm the one who's supposed to be taking care of their needs and everything. So yes, that's my responsibility. I have to understand their situations, their whole thing, and yes, I have to accommodate things and I have to change plans and adjust things so that they can be more efficient with their own time at their own pace. I have to understand them first and then do things based on that instead of just I want to do this, let's do this. इस तरीके के लोग भी होते हैं. I've dealt with those kind of people, so I try to avoid those kind of things. But let's see. I'm still new to this. I don't want to make any kind of mistakes. But when you are afraid of making mistakes, you usually make mistakes. Let's see how it goes. अभी comparatively new team हमारी. रोनी से मिलकर आज काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. He's a good kid. तो आज हम लोग काफ़ी काम करा हम लोगों ने, काफ़ी मस्ती करी, काफ़ी बातें करी, इधर बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी. हाँ, तो अभी जो प्रोडक्टिव लोग का जो मैं बोल रहा था, रोनित wasn't being efficient. I finally realized what was the problem, or I think what was the problem. Baki he understands those things much better. So it's not like he's not putting effort. He's actually putting effort. He understands the editing part now. Because हम एक महीने से काम कर. The only problem he has been facing is the storytelling part. So like creating a sequence as a story, that's how I do it, and I expect him to implement things in that way. It takes time. The knowledge builds on top of each other. So I think we are going to make pretty good edits now. So click on this icon and you can see today's whole productive vlog season episode. I don't remember the exact episode which is coming because हम लोग like daily edit नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उस चीज़ को. But I do believe that जो next month में जो next season होगा season 3 में we would be more efficient and उसके अंदर हम उसी दिन का next day आपको पूरी vlog मिल जाएगी, पूरा unscripted वाला मिल जाएगा. We would be on top of everything. Stick around to actually find out if this will happen or not. And yes, there's no other way around for me. I have to make this happen at all cost. So यही है. अब हम थोड़ी सी deeper चीज़ के बारे में बात करें तो I need to be a good leader. I do believe that I have good leadership qualities. Leadership is actually leading other people to a definite goal. There are a number of ways to do it. You can just give people monetary benefit and people usually follow that person and that person becomes their leader. And there are some कुछ emotional and triggering कुछ होता है तो फिर people even follow those people as well. जैसे कि हमारे freedom fighters थे, right? So those guys were leaders, okay? They did not give anyone any kind of money or anything, and they were chasing a goal that was quite emotional to other people. So that's why people were following them. So the main part is you have to be precise about your goal. You have to chase your goal like it's going to happen, and people will follow. You have to be worthy of people to actually follow you. If you're not putting in effort, you are not actually showing up, you are not actually doing the work, no one is going to follow you because you're not worthy their time, energy or resource or whatever. I don't know, I'm at very early stage of my leadership journey. So this is my first startup and yes, मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले करीबन 4-5 महीने पहले अपनी जॉब छोड़ के completely I have transitioned into this business thing. I know a lot of things, I do understand a lot of things at a deeper level, but yes, there are a number of things that I'm not aware of, and वो time के साथ and situations के साथ I would be understanding those things, and this is for that only. Like I would be sharing those lessons that I would learn from my failures or mistakes or wins. Yeah, I'm also going to have some good wins. I would also share those. I have to be the best leader if I really want to build an empire that I'm trying to, that I visualize कि इस तरीके का content empire होना चाहिए, इस तरीके का business empire होना चाहिए, industrial IoT में dominate करने का होना चाहिए, इस तरीके का acting में career होना चाहिए, और that I need to work my ass off. बस इतना पता है. You have to be just real. Most people क्या करते हैं? They start faking shit up. ठीक है? And like अब मैं कैसे बताऊँ? Even I want to fake shit. जैसे कि अभी I've been using my bike for a long time. Okay, उससे पहले I used to have a car. So I don't feel good using that bike. It's kind of depressing, and like I'm a founder of a company. Okay, so I shouldn't be roaming around in a bike or whatever. I need a fucking car, a good car. I have to have a car. So yes, psychologically I do understand a number of things pretty well. So yes, that's one of the characteristics. So a leader should understand himself and others at a much deeper level. If he or she doesn't possess this understanding, then man, what's the point of leading someone in wrong direction? You're definitely going to lead them in a wrong direction when you don't know why are you doing what you are doing. So that's one way to see through it. This leadership topic, I don't have that much basis to talk about it yet. Once I build a much stronger team, a much stronger company, better systems where people are working and building some great things, and कुछ robotics में मेरे को आगे build करना है, I have to do a lot of shit. I just don't want to sleep now. Just fuck this shit, man. Just build things deeper. So yeah, that's it. Maybe I should try to get some sleep. I have a shoot tomorrow. Yeah. तो यस, प्रोडक्टिव ब्लॉग में आपको शूट भी मिलेगा. सो वॉच आउट फॉर टुमारो. कल हम बात भी करेंगे इसी बारे में. एंड दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ यूनिक शूट जिसके अंदर वी डोंट हैव एनी डायलॉग्स, मोस्टली एक्सप्रेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग. तो लेट्स सी. द कैरेक्टर इज गुड एज वेल. आई विल जस्ट टेल यू टुमारो क्या करते हैं. ओके, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.